Before we start, let me tell you what Windows Server 22 is. It's a powerful operating system made by Microsoft. It is mostly used for running website, file server, virtual machine, and company network. If you are learning server or planning to use it for your small business, this is a great OS to start with. Okay, now let's talk about what kind of hardware you need. These are the minimum system requirements to install Windows Server 22. 1.4 GHz 64-bit processor. It must support UEFI and data execution prevention. But remember, these are just the minimum. If you want good performance, better to go with 4 GB or more RAM, dual core processor or high, SSD storage is possible. Just search Windows Server 22 Evolution download. Click on the button that say download the ISO. Fill out the short form with your name, email and organization. Then click download now. Choose the ISO file, that's the one we can use for installation. That's it, you are download the Windows Server 22 image. Once your ISO file is downloaded, here what you can do. If you are using virtual machine like VirtualBox or Hyper-V, just load the ISO file and install it. If you want to install it on a real PC or server, burn the ISO to a USB using tool like Rufus. Then just boot from that USB and follow the setup. That's the basic hardware requirement and download step for Windows Server 22. In my next video, I will show you how to install in setup by setup.